Okay, so this is going to seem a little maybe neurotic to some people, but I watch a lot of baseball and I cannot stand the sound effects, the relentless sound effects every time something pops up on the screen. Watch this short couple seconds of video from the Braves Pirates game.
3 punch outs in 74 2/3
One,
innings.
2, 3, 4, 5,
And you can see why.
6, 7. 7 little whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Come on, man. This isn't football. We don't need this. We don't need this stuff. It just ruins it. It ruins the whole experience. And if I fast forward, it's like anytime a graphic goes up or comes down, they got to play a sound effect. Oh my God, it just killed me.